Hey, morning activities, Mallory. Check out what I made at Puff's Barbecue today.
That looks so good, Mason. But wait, you know what would make that even better?
What's that?
The sauce that Maggie and Sam are making in the bistro.
Ooh, good idea.
Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Sam and this is Maggie, and today we're making dipping sauces. First, we're gonna make some copycat cane sauce, and then we're gonna make some ranch.
For the cane sauce, you're gonna need some pepper, some garlic powder, some Cajun seasoning, some Worcestershire sauce, salt, ketchup, and mayo. This recipe is really easy because you just dump it all in a bowl and mix it together.
And this is what your cane sauce should look like when it's done. Now it's time to make our second dipping sauce, ranch. Maggie, what are our ingredients?
You're gonna need milk, sour cream, mayo, lemon juice, onion powder, garlic powder, celery seed, salt, dill, and pepper. It's like the cane sauce. You can just dump everything in the bowl.
And this is what it should look like when it's done.
Now that our sauces are done, it's time to enjoy. We're gonna eat ours with grilled chicken, but you can eat them with whatever you want. If you're gonna use a grill, make sure you have a parent's help because it can be very hot.
Here, Mason, I'll try the ranch. You try the copycat cane sauce.
That's even better than chicken.